So if you're going to create your scene first, you're going to hit the plus. You would call this main game. Since I've already got one, I'm just going to call it main 2. So now main 2 is a blank scene. I need to start adding things. First thing I'll do is add a video capture device. This is going to be my main game camera. Since I already have one, I'll just do cam main backwards so you can see how it works. There'll be other things here. It'll show either the capture card. Then you just click on the capture card that you want the camera to be on. There's that. Now we need to add a scoreboard camera. Just another video capture. And this one, I would do, something different. And because we don't have anything else plugged in, I'll use the virtual camera, which shows that. But then if I start the virtual camera, it shows that and that. Now when I do this, you're actually just seeing a mini picture inside, but I would lock that on top. So now it comes to the graphics. So we open it, go to desktop. It's going to be BS logos, is where most of your stuff is. So in here, I think I've only got Trevor and me for graphics. So we'll just pretend Blue Squatch is team 1. Yeti, you're team 2. Trevor's a sponsor. Look at Blue Squatch 1. Check it down. Deal with it. Check the other one. Oh, that's the camera. That's why we lock our sources in place. So once it's set and you want it, and you lock them in, and then you can't accidentally touch them. Alright, so you just grab the corner, move it, just other different things, make it bigger. If you want to crop it, like this one had a lot of space on the edge, want to make it the same size, you just hold the Alt key, ALT, move it around. So do that. I'm not lining them up or doing anything fancy, so you'd have this team versus this team. No, get back there. A lot easier with the mouse instead of using the trackpad, but sponsored by Trevor. So now we want to add the scoreboard cam, right? So it's just this. So we're going to copy it. And you could paste a reference like that. So now we've got another version of it. So we just Alt and grab where the shot clock is. And then we put the shot clock right here. So the scoreboard cam's there, shot clock's there. And if we wanted to take and make them all a group, right click it. Where's the group selected items? I'm going to call this the SB group. So now I create my next scene, which is going to be my break or my intermission. I need to add a media source. Same thing as everything else, you go find it. And this I already have BSP intermission, so I'm going to add it there. Priority 1, make sure it loops right here, make sure that's clicked so you don't have a black screen afterwards. So get rid of that because I already have intermission. So just delete, yes. So we're on the intermission now. So now in order to add that group to the intermission, you just go to your intermission, plus, group, add existing group because we already created it, the scoreboard group, and then everything pops up. So there's your scoreboard with all your graphics. You put it somewhere on the intermission. Then people can see the clock and know about how much time we have till the game pops back up. On the replay, we need the swipe and see it's playing old replays. Replay 1 comes out of here. So the main game. Folder when. So if I started the replay buffer right now, go back to main game. Scoreboard cam is the virtual camera, so it's a small camera inside. Pretend I got the graphics in there. Spend 10 seconds so I could clip it. But basically, you can move them like that. Medium filters on. Replays on. First time. Full. Just help. Copy. It's not every two. It's the same thing. Do the old. You know why it's not on? Because we're not streaming or recording, and that's the only time it's going to kick on. So we start recording. good thing you guys will get to see all this wonderful stuff.